In this lesson, we're going to talk about binary numbers. Now, I know most of you are probably already familiar with all of this, but just in case, I want to cover all the basics. So the first number we're going to look at is going to be 0. So this is 0 in both the decimal and binary format. So the first digit we're going to look at is the far right digit. And in general, when we talk about binary numbers, we start from the far right. So the first digit on the right has a value of 1. The one next to it, the one on its left, has a value of 2. The next one is 4. The next one is 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, etc., etc. Hopefully you get the point. They double. When you move to the next digit is going to be 1024. So each one just doubles the previous value. Here's a simple table you can always use when working with binary numbers. So for example, when you get a 1, which is on the 4th place from right to the left, the value of that one is 8. When you look at the next one, the value of that one is 16. Let's look at an example. So here is a binary number. Now I'm reading from right to the left. It's 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So what's the value of this binary number in decimal format? In order to calculate that, we're going to look at the values of ones in this binary number. So this one, 1 has a value of 2 because that's its place in this table. And then the next one has a value of 16. Let me see that. So this is 2, and we're going to add that. And then this is 16. We're going to add that to 2, so that's 18. And then we're going to look at the next digit, which is this one. That's going to be 128. We're going to add that to the previous sum. And then we're going to add these two ones, 512 and 1024. And in total, that's going to be 1682. Okay, so let's go to the next example. In this example, we're going to figure out a way to be faster in our calculation. Now, you can only do this if you get a batch of consecutive ones at the end of your binary number or at the beginning of your binary number if you're looking from right to the left. So how we're going to calculate this faster, that's the key word here, is we're going to look at the number to the left of our batch. The value of this batch is actually going to be the value of the next left number minus 1. So here we have 64, and the sum of all of these values is going to be 63. Now this is simple math and you can check it out yourself. This is what you're going to get each and every single time. So this makes the process easier for us because we don't have to add up every single value we have in this batch, but we know how much this is right away. So we're going to sum 63, 128, 1024, and 8192, and we're going to get the final value, which is 9407. And you can come up with any binary number that you want and practice this further. But we're going to continue to the next example, which is this. So you can pause this video and try and figure this out on your own because I'm just going to give you the results. Here's the results. Okay, so how we did this, we followed the previous examples and we just looked at the positions of ones and we added all of their values together, and we got 726. So if you got that too, you're on the right path. That would be it for this lesson. See you in the next one.